Google Genie 3 Honest Review. What should you be doing when this finally comes out? Hello everyone and welcome back. Now, we are going to be talking about Genie 3 today. GPT-5 has launched and it has taken the world by a storm, and I am expecting Genie 3 to be coming soon as well, and this is going to be a new frontier for the world of models. This is truly something that is innovative and has not been done before. Currently, Google has Google AI, Google DeepMind, Google Labs, Google Research, AI Studio, and their Gemini app. But with the help of Genie 3, this can be a model that is going to outtake a lot of our initial innovation, creativity, and the expectations and boundaries that we have created for AI. So what exactly is Genie 3? So this is a general purpose world model that can generate a unprecedented diversity of interactive environments. So what it basically allows you to do is that it allows you to access the world. It allows you to build worlds. If you're doing something in real life, you can do it in a Genie 3 world. You can explore a house. If you're looking to build a house from scratch, you can do that. If you're painting this wall, so for example, this is a really popular clip and this is a wall that you're building, okay? You're painting the wall and you look away. Then if you look back, the paint is going to be exactly where you placed it because it's going to function like the real world. So Genie 3 is going to give us access to create a unique world, to have some events happening. So a man in a chicken suit appears from the left, a jet ski comes from the right. Whatever you want to create within your world, you can easily create that. You can create these hyper-realistic worlds and live a new kind of fantasy with the help of AI. And this is going to be great, again, to train AI models in real time. The reason for that is if we're building hyper-realistic worlds, we can also train other AI models to perform in those worlds. And if those AI models are performing in those worlds, that means that they are going to be able to perform in real life. If they're glitching in those worlds, obviously they would potentially be glitching in the real world as well. So this is one of Genie 3's introductory videos that they have launched. You guys can see that this is truly dynamic and it's going to bring light to a lot of creativity, a lot of imagination, and something that we are all going to be very excited for. So currently this has not been launched yet. They are pioneering research in simulated environments for over a decade. They have Genie 2 and now Genie 3, and this is going to be a stepping stone path to AGI since they make it possible to train AI agents in an unlimited curriculum of rich stimulation environments. And this is what is really important, and that is something that a lot of people are going to be highlighting. Because we are trying to use AI tools in our real world, we're not just using them on our laptops, we want to incorporate them to perform things for us. Training AI models is the most crucial step to building them, and if we can train them in a fake world and then create them in a real world and have them perform those same tasks, that is going to simplify a lot of different AI models and how we train them, and it can be a true update for the way that we are training AI models right now. So right now, they introduced the world to Genie 1 and Genie 2, which could generate new environments for agents. They also have continued to push with VO 3 and VO 2, which are their video generation models. However, DeepMind's Genie 3 is going to be revolutionary because this has 720p access. This is going to be in the general domain, and you have controls with navigation as well as promptable world events. So whatever world you are building, you can prompt things to happen. And you have multiple minutes when it comes to interaction horizon, as well as interaction latency is going to be real time. However, this is where the limitation comes in, which is their interaction horizon, which means that sure, if I'm painting a wall in Genie 3, for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, it's going to be there. But the memory that it has when it comes to these interactive worlds is not going to be more than a few minutes. It's not going to be hourly. If you're trying to build a world and then have a best friend within your world and live with that best friend and have dinner every night, and then you want to go to work with that best friend, you cannot do that because the interactive memory that it has, the way that it's going to be functioning is not going to keep history as long as hourly. It only has a few minutes or multiple minutes of history. Now we will see at the end when Genie 3 is released how much history it actually can keep. So Genie 3 can generate a consistent and interactive world for a longer horizon, and you guys can see here is where the interaction has ended, and your controls are going to help you in navigating. Now within Genie 3, their basic capabilities include modeling physical properties of the world with things like water, lighting, and complex environment interactions. You guys can see these are just some of the demo videos available from Genie 3, and this is the way that it is interacting. And we have things like biking, we just have a sea, we have fast tracking real world video following a jellyfish. Then we can simulate the natural world. We can generate vibrant ecosystems from animal behaviors to integrate plant life. We also have modeling, animation, and fiction. So you can create fantastical scenarios and expressive animated characters. And this is going to be really amazing when it comes to world building as well as game building for developers that are looking to upgrade and build more interaction. You can explore locations and historical settings. So now past eras and the past of the world is going to be at your fingertips, because you're going to be able to ask it to show you the world as it looked like in 1980, and then you can explore all of your favorite sites from 1980 or the way that the world worked in that particular time. So this is truly pushing the frontier of real-time capabilities, and it is something that is going to remain consistent. You guys can see there are a few different things. We have, let's say I want to go with London over here, and then I can choose what I want to happen next. Event, chicken suit runner, dragon, jet ski. So let's say I want a jet ski, and then from my prompt that is selected, it's going to show me the jet ski appearing. And from here I can move forward just like so. And you have agent research as well. However, whenever you are building this, you guys can see these are only giving you a few limited options. When Genie 3 is going to be released, obviously it is going to be unlimited. So if I'm walking through this world that I've built and I ask to go to the baker, and then the baker is going to have breads, and it's going to build all of those things by default with the help of AI, with actual AI. However, there are going to be a few limitations. There's going to be limited action space, and interactions and stimulations of other agents are going to be very complex. So independent agents will have shared environments, so that is going to be something that might not be launched in the near future. Then you have text rendering. Clear and legible text is going to be generated when provided in the input and world description. Otherwise, text is going to be very difficult to generate. Then you have real world locations. So sometimes real world locations are not going to be perfect with geographic accuracy, and you have interaction duration limits. So the model can currently support a few minutes of continuous interaction rather than extended hours. But still, this is going to be something that is really exciting. Now, DeepMind has, or Google has launched Genie 3. They have announced it, which means that the launch is not going to be very far off, because when VO 3 was launched, that was not very far off from their initial announcements and their initial showing. So we can be expecting for Genie 3 to come anytime soon, and for us to explore these new horizons. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video with the latest AI news.